The 2025 Honda S2000 marks the return of an iconic roadster, blending modern engineering with its heritage of thrilling performance and precision handling. This revamped model caters to both enthusiasts and casual drivers seeking open-top excitement with Honda's trademark reliability. Exterior: the S2000 features a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette with a long hood, short rear deck, and aggressive stance. LED headlights and taillights, sharp character lines, and 19-inch alloy wheels emphasize its sporty nature. A retractable soft top adds versatility, while carbon fiber accents provide a premium touch. Performance: under the hood, a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine delivers 315 horsepower and 300 pounds-ft of torque. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional dual-clutch automatic, the S2000 offers a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 4.5 seconds. A lightweight chassis, rear-wheel drive, and adaptive suspension ensure thrilling cornering and a responsive driving experience. Interior: the cabin combines sporty simplicity with cutting-edge technology. Leather and Alcantara sport seats provide comfort and support, while a digital gauge cluster and a 10.2-inch infotainment screen offer seamless control of navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Aluminum accents and a driver-focused layout highlight its racing heritage. Safety: equipped with Honda Sensing, the S2000 includes advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and blind spot monitoring. A high-strength frame and advanced airbags ensure top-tier crash protection. Price: the 2025 Honda S2000 starts at an estimated $45,000 for the base model, with fully equipped trims reaching around $55,000. Overall, the 2025 Honda S2000 revitalizes its legendary status, offering exhilarating performance, a stylish design, and modern amenities. Perfect for driving enthusiasts, it captures the essence of a classic roadster while meeting contemporary demands for technology and safety.